Hey, we're on Andover off of Beech Daly in what is probably Dearborn Heights. And I discovered kind of, or maybe it's Inkster, I don't know, kind of a cool sculpture. So let's check it out. I'm assuming Wyatt is the person's name, the artist. But isn't that pretty cool? Maybe we need to get a better light. Backlit, so maybe we're not getting a good detail, but that's the best I can do. Assuming that was done with a chainsaw. It's kind of inspirational. I own a chainsaw now. I wonder if it's within the realm of what I could accomplish.